This is the best video you want to watch on the internet today. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is Auntie Keri's kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook green amaranth. In Cameroon, we just call it green, but in other countries they have different names. It helps with digestion because it has a lot of fiber in it. So let's get started. Always make sure you wash your vegetables before you slice them. I will first of all slice and blanch it before we move to the cooking process. Guys, whenever I prepare my green, it stays green for days. So follow this my same process to cook your own green so that it will stay green for days. Do not miss out any step of this cooking process. If you are someone that is constantly having constipation, then you have to be cooking this green amaranth all the time. This is the #1 remedy to solve your constipation problems. Just continue to slice it until it is finished. As you are slicing it, make sure you've already put a pot of water on the stove to boil. When you finish to get it up, look for a bowl and put it inside. So now our water has been boiling, so we have to put the green amaranth now in the boiling water. Submerge all the greens in hot water. We are not cooking it, we are just blanching it. In this way it stays green. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes, then you take it off the heat because it's not hard, it doesn't stay long on the stove. You don't have to make it soft because it's a very soft vegetable. Now you want to make sure that you remove it and put it in cold water. Make sure you use a sieve so that if there's any sand under, it will stay under, it will not go to your vegetable. Always use a sieve to carry the vegetables. Don't pour it. If you pour it and if there's any dirt or sand, it will go into your vegetable. So use a sieve and carry it. After I'm done carrying it from the hot water and putting in the cold water to stop it from cooking, I go ahead and lightly squeeze it. Don't squeeze out all the water, just lightly squeeze it. Use sieve again to carry the remaining vegetables from the water. So these are all the ingredients we are going to be using to cook the greens. Here we have the greens, oil, the pepper, the fish that I've already boiled, chicken bouillon, onion, tomatoes, salt. So I started by chopping up my onion. If you have watched up to this point, please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment this video. When I'm done with the onion, I proceeded to slice the tomatoes. I'm using 4 tomatoes for this recipe. We are poured on the stove and add in oil. When it is hot enough, add onion. Saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add your chopped tomatoes. Stir occasionally and make sure it doesn't burn under the pot. Add your pepper and continue to stir until all the water dries out. Add your salt. Guys, at this point I put the fish and the chicken bouillon and I didn't even know my camera was off. My phone went off, I didn't know. So I had already added my fish and the chicken bouillon. Then I went ahead and put the vegetables. Then now I'm stirring it. Mix it until well combined. Now it's time to serve. I had this with plantain. You can eat it with any starch of your choice. Look at how green it looks. What do you like to eat yours with? Please let me know in the comment section what you will be eating yours with. Some people eat it with potatoes, banana, rice, yam. What will you be eating yours with? Look at how delicious it looks. Oh my goodness. Thank you all for watching and do not forget to give me a thumbs up. See you in another video.